Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Drift Dreams 11. Today, we're talking about the 2025 Honda Odyssey. This minivan has been a household name for decades. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Odyssey carries forward the recognizable minivan shape, but with sharper, more modern touches that keep it from looking dated. Up front, you get Honda's signature chrome-accented grille, now flanked by slim LED headlights with an updated daytime running light signature. The lower fascia has been reworked for a cleaner, more athletic stance, while the sculpted side panels help break up that big minivan profile. Around back, LED taillights and a subtle roof spoiler give it a slightly sportier vibe. And because this is a family vehicle first, sliding rear doors remain, offering effortless entry even in tight parking spaces. Wheel options range from 18 to 19 inches, depending on trim, with finishes that range from classic silver to more aggressive dark alloys. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends practicality with premium touches. Honda knows its audience, parents, kids, and road trip warriors, so the Odyssey's interior is built around comfort, space, and smart storage. The 2025 model keeps the highly praised Magic Slide second-row seats, which can be moved side to side and front to back for maximum flexibility. Whether you need to separate squabbling siblings or create a clear path to the third row, these seats make it easy. Tech is strong point. A 12.3-inch touchscreen takes center stage, running Honda's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also an available rear seat entertainment system with dual 10.2-inch displays, perfect for keeping the kids busy on long drives. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Odyssey sticks with a tried-and-true formula, a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, sending power to the front wheels. While some competitors are experimenting with hybrids, Honda has doubled down on a refined gas powertrain that delivers confident acceleration, even with a full load of passengers and cargo. Safety has always been a top priority for the Odyssey, and the 2025 model is no exception. Every trim comes standard with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assist features that includes collision mitigation braking system, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, lane keeping assist system, road departure mitigation, traffic sign recognition. There's also available blind spot information with rear cross-traffic alert, making lane changes and backing out of tight spots safer. What sets the Odyssey apart from other minivans and three-row SUVs? First, the Magic Slide seats. No one else in the segment offers this exact setup, and it's a game-changer for families. Second, the combination of interior space and comfort. SUVs may look cooler, but few can match the Odyssey's ability to haul 7 or 8 passengers with this level of legroom and cargo flexibility. Third, family-focused tech like CabinWatch and CabinTalk, which lets you talk to rear passengers through the speakers or their headphones without yelling. And finally, Honda's long-standing reputation for reliability and resale value, which means you're not just buying a van, you're investing in years of low-maintenance, dependable service. So, is the 2025 Honda Odyssey still worth it in an SUV-dominated world? Absolutely, if your top priorities are space, comfort, and family-friendly features. It's not the flashiest vehicle on the road, but it nails its mission better than almost anything else out there. For road trips, school runs, and everything in between, the Odyssey remains one of the smartest buys for growing families. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the best cars on the market. This is Drift Dreams 11, and I'll see you in the next one.